Put me on the wall.
Wow.
Lucky Charm, strawberry shake.
I beat him in punches though, so it don't matter.
Beat who?
He shot me. I knocked him out last year. I boom boom. He boom
10 out of
boom.
10.
I fell down. I get up.
I tried it.
He fell down.
100 out of 10.
Everybody said I won.
And this
Orange lava.
this is orange lava. And it's a slushy. It's very good. So 10 out of 10.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to Facing Forward. And today, as you can see, we went to Dave's. So we got 2 orders of the sliders. The sliders are pretty big. They're not small at all. We got cheese fries, and then we got the bites. The sandwiches are medium. You get 2 sliders for $14.99. Then you get 10 chicken bites, and these are no spice for $9.99. So let's get into it. I'm gonna try it without the bun first. And the sauce, cheese. That's fire. Dip it in the Dave sauce. Let's try the bites. Sorry, guys. Overall, let me get this meal a 9 out of 10. These sliders off the chain. The fries, they're a little soggy, but it took us a little while to get home, but they're good and they got seasoning on them. Chicken bites, meaty, good. Go try Dave's chicken. All the stories I've been hearing are true. Peace.